Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of arrow keys not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to disable scroll lock. This is on your keyboard itself at the top right corner with the num lock and caps lock if that's an option. So you'll find the scroll lock there. Turn it off. The next solution is to update the keyboard drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of keyboard drivers. Right click on the first one and update the driver. Okay. And right click on the second one and update the drivers. The next solution is to scan for malware on your system. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. This is the malware removal tool. Click on next, choose full scan, click on next and let it go through. The last solution will be to restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.